Yeah, ferment. You have to ferment. Okay, one way, for instance, to ferment is you take the volume up to where, on the speaker, it starts like messing up on the speaker. Like it starts becoming something else. It changes from the original thing. It's like a fermentation. So I'll just demonstrate, just to give you an example. Like if I'm like big chest or something, okay, it could start off like that, and it's very theatrical. But that might be the starting place, but it's not good enough because we want to take it further. Like we want it to grow, like when the chest grows, and something comes from that. And then no, it's not good enough. It needs more. It needs more. It needs more. It needs more. And how do you take it even further? How do you take it even further? And then what's even more? And what's even more? Does something grow out of here that's like a golden tree of life or a tree of knowledge of good and evil or something? It grows out, and there's an apple there, and then you're like, well, the apple. And then you let your dreams go, and you take it further and further and further, and just it's hard to explain this, but this is a very Butoh thing to get lost in the thing. It's like tripping. You get lost. So they say of Butoh, one of the ways I heard Butoh described is it's like going from point A to point B, and it might be easy like in the everyday world, but it's very difficult. It's like in the Butoh world, like the phone rings. Okay, in the normal everyday life, you go through the phone. Yeah, but in the Butoh world, it rings and it's like. And then the passage is like, okay, you are going through 10 universes to get to the phone. This is what's happening. This is what I want to see. Yes, you might start off in something very familiar, a familiar character, but it needs to have a cloud of abstraction enveloped, and this cloud of abstraction is your own dreams. It takes going into your subconscious. It takes getting lost. Like I want you to get lost in it to where this is a way to ferment even deeper. Take it to absurdity. And absurdity doesn't mean big or doesn't mean intense. It means you're developing it. You're developing it into more abstraction. So with this in mind, let's see what